I'm using system speaker, but I don't think like I have kept it in high. Let me try. How can I mute it?
Or do we have a headphone?
I don't have it because I'm attending from the office. Oh, 1
Okay,
minute, let
fine.
me see.
No problem. Okay, today I mean I can manage. Okay, I'll just give a small introduction about myself. For classic trainings and online trainings, and this is all about me. And I was informed that you are looking for an SAP SD training, online training. So this is your demo part where I can let you know, I mean, how the SAP SD training would be.
Okay, yeah, that's correct. Absolutely right. Like, so I'm looking for some
Okay,
kind of online
I would
training
like
in the
to have a
SAP.
small introduction from your side also. Could you please have a small introduction?
Yeah. Uh, so like, so this is Ashok. Like, so I've been into the industry for almost last 12 years, and I'm into managing various SAP projects. But I wanted to have in-depth knowledge on the SAP SD module. So that's where I started looking for this SD training. Sorry, Naveen, is this audible or Naveen? Hello?
Okay, so you are new to SAP? I mean,
I am not new
yeah,
to
this
the
is
SAP,
audible.
but so
Are you new to SAP? I mean, have you worked in any SAP in the past?
I am not new to the SAP, but I do have the
Yeah,
prior
have you worked on
experience
any
in
SAP
managing.
part? Or this is the first time you are working on SAP?
No, so this is not the first time. Naveen, maybe it seems to be we have some problems with the connection. Okay, but I'm not new to the SAP. Yeah, is this audible? Hello, hello. Praveen, I can't hear you. Like so. Hello. Mm. Chatting, chatting. Hello. Hello. Praveen, I can't hear your voice. Like, can you please adjust your microphone or something?
Uh, okay. Hope you are hearing me. So this is course content. Okay. And can you see my screen first? Ashok, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see. Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Yeah, you please be muted. Okay, if you have any questions, you can unmute it. So it will be better for me. I mean, I'm not getting echo. That's good. So this is a sales and distribution course. Okay, and we usually follow this. Let's say, I mean, if you are new to SAP part, then we'll be talking about what is SD and how the overview of this. Okay, so this will be showing in the demo now. So apart from this, if you go to the training course, first we'll be learning about the enterprise structure. Okay, how to define the complete enterprise structure. I mean, what your client has, the same organizational structure, everything will be mapped in SAP SD model. Then we'll see a overview of the sales process. Sales process comprises of three processes. Okay, one is the sales, the other one is the shipping, the third one is the billing part. Okay, so these three main process comprise the whole sales and distribution model. So after this, we'll be seeing more on the customizing part, how to create a master data in the customizing level. With the master data, we have customer master, how to build up a customer master, how to build up a material master, how to build up a customer material info record, how to maintain pricing records, and some additional master data we'll cover. Then we'll move to the determination parts. Okay, so we'll see, I mean, how to create a sales and distribution, how to create the determinations like how automatically system will determine the plan, the shipping plan, and the route. When you are creating in sales order, how it automatically determines all these things we'll see. Then we'll see the availability check also. Okay, how the system is determining the availability checks. And from here, we'll directly go to the process related, how a pre-sales processing works, and what is called as item category, and how the complaint processing works. Okay, what are the complaint processes we have, what are the documents we have under this, like returns, compliance, credit memo. So from here, we'll talk about more on the analysis part, how to detail list, how to create reports. Then from here only the actual customizing part happens. Okay, so under this customizing part, we'll be seeing how to set up the whole enterprise structure, how to define a sales organization, how to define a distribution channel, how to define a division, how to define a company code, how to define a plant, how to define a storage location. So some of the words will be little weird for you, or you might have not understand. Okay, when you come to the course, I mean, you'll be understand what are these things, what is the definition, what is the functionality, and how we need to set up in SAP SD model. Then from here, we'll be covering the whole sales document process. So what are the functionalities which we require under the sales document process, all the things, okay, including from here the information which is required for this source of data until the whole control of maintaining the sales documents. Okay, a complete sales order, how the system performs, what are the controls we have, everything will be seeing under this level. Then we have certain functionalities like data flow, how the data reflects, how the data fetches from one document to another document. Then we have functionalities like data flow and copy control that you will see. And I will show you some special business transactions also. Some of the special business transactions most probably used in projects like what is called cash sales, what is called rush sales, what is called consignment orders, so all those parts. Then we have one more thing called incompleteness. This where it is used is when you are filling the documents, when you are entering some values in the documents, some values you might missed. Okay, so those things, I mean, system can give an automatic pop-up, so that, I mean, you can see those pop-up messages and you can correct it, or you can enter the fields which is not entered by you. And we'll go to the contract parts. Okay, so within sales also we have sales contracts and the agreement part. So how to maintain the SAP SD part we'll see. And then we'll go to the material determination listing exclusions. So this is one part, I mean, where we'll see about the how to material determination listing exclusion happens. And we'll see the free goods also. Let's say, I mean, when a customer purchase for a specific product, Okay, we can use one product as a free of charge. So how we can do this in the automation in SAP SD, that part. Then comes to the delivery process. So under the delivery process, we will see what are the delivery documents we have, what is the controls in the delivery document, what are the organizational units needs to be created before the delivery documents to be created, okay, and the process of the delivery. So within the delivery process, we have some sub-processes like picking, packing, goods issue, and the monitoring of the deliveries. So all these things we'll see. Then we'll move to the pricing part. Pricing is also one of the main topic in SAP SD. So how to set up a basic pricing and how understanding the condition techniques. So within the condition techniques, we have something like pricing configuration, how to set up a configuration, that is customizing the pricing part, and what are the components available in the pricing. And we'll be learning, more in pricing, like how to generate reports, what are the special condition types, what are the statistical condition types. Okay, so after that I will see the last process, there is a billing process. So where we will be understanding how to do a billing document, what are the controls we have in the billing document, what is the organizational unit required for the to create the billing documents. Okay, the billing types, these are the controls for the billing documents, and the data flow and copying control. Here also you will get it, data for copy control under the billing part. Then creation of billing documents, and within the billing documents we have settlements also. Okay, there are some types of settlements like invoice combinations, invoice list, invoice split. Okay, those things we'll see. And billing plans, so we have a topic called billing plan that also will cover, and we have copying control in billing also, and text control, text determination part, output determination part. So all these things are there within the course. Plus, if you have extra time, we'll cover other things also, like SAP SD tables. What are the SAP SD tables, how to generate reports, and some of the related things like contracts part, credit memo, debit memo, returns. All these things are documents related. Okay, some of the business process related. Those things also we can cover it. So this is the course content which I just walked through. Now I will show you a demo of how the whole SAP SD works. Okay, so this is the GUI screen, and within this is the SAP ECC tool. Okay, so within this SAP ECC tool, there are several core models. So one of the core
one
models
point.
is sales and distribution.
Point.
So one of the core models is the yes.
Praveen, one point. Yeah. So you'll be going through all the cycles, right? Like complete quotations, pricing, delivery checks, loading, and everything, isn't it? Complete cycle of in the
Yes,
SAP
yes,
screens, isn't it?
yes. Yes, now it's I'll show you a demo. Okay, you can see, what I'm going to do is I'll create a sales process. From there I'll create a delivery process, and from there I'll create a billing process. The whole process I'll cover it. Just please observe this. So now before this, we need to create master data, organization setups, all those things I have already created. Okay, just I'm going to show you the process. So all the transactions will have a specific transaction code. Okay, so in SAP SD, let's say I want to create an order, so I enter this transaction code VA01. I am entering one order type. Okay, just observe what I'm going to do. I'm creating a sales order now. So let's say I'm giving a customer number, and the shipped party is the person who will be receiving the goods order. Okay, and I'm giving a material, let's say RFM1001. This is a material number I'm giving for quantity 1. Press enter. So under this sales area only we are getting this order 101000. Okay, just ignore these two lines. Okay, right now, so just concentrate on this alone. So I have created one order of this material, of this quantity. So other material, these things just leave it. Okay, there is some customizing we have done, so for that we have done. So I'm not giving any pieces for these things. Okay, so just ignore. So now I am saving this order. Incomplete document. Okay, so go to edit. Okay, pricing. Reset time. So it's asking for some pricing part, so I'll just enter the pricing but allow. It says something like 100 euros. So this is the price of this material I'm just entering, and I'm saving this order. Let me open a notepad simultaneously. So an order is created 14010. This is the order number. Okay. Now customer has placed the order. This is the order number we have created. Now I go to this transaction VA02. Okay. So this is my order number 14010. So I go enter. I get inside this. So this is my document which I created. Can you see if there is only one item is there? One piece. Now I'm going to do a delivery. So deliver. Okay. Now it created a delivery document. So through the sales order, I created a delivery document. You can see the material which I ordered, quantity as delivery quantity as 1. Okay. Now as I told you, in the delivery process we have some sub processes. So I save this delivery document first. So this is the delivery. So we'll give the delivery number, system will. It's getting saved. Okay, so the delivery number is 80016,796. So this is the delivery number we have been given by the system. Okay, now under this delivery we'll do some sub processes like picking. Okay, and see, delivery process means we need to send the goods to the customer. Okay, that's the main meaning of delivery. So what we'll do is we'll go to this delivery document again. Under this delivery document, go to this delivery document. So here what happens is the goods which is there in the warehouse, okay, there people go and collect that specific goods for specific quantity and they will go for a picking. Okay, so this is called as picking. So how we can do is we can go to the substitution function and create a transfer order. Transfer order is nothing but special document which we create, okay, for doing the picking part. It's nothing like, I mean, we have to go to the warehouse, the person has to go to the warehouse and he needs to collect a specific quantity of the product in the exact storage location and he needs to bring it back, the quantity, I mean the product quantity, and he needs to pack the goods and he needs to send it to the truck or railway or airways to the customer place. Okay, that is the process which we are mapping in SAP in this manner. So I'm just creating a transfer order. So here you can see the picking quantity is 1. Okay, so it means this process is done. So from the delivery, the person has gone, picked the specific product, okay, of the specific quantity, and it is updated in the document, in the delivery document. Now the last thing is, this goods will be sent from the warehouse to the customer place. That process is called as post goods issue. Okay, so that process also we have to do it. So you can say within this delivery we have done picking, okay, and we need to give post goods issue. Post goods issue. So how to do this post goods issue means, and for this, for picking we use this transfer order TO. Okay, that is the number is 5111, just now created, and the post goods issue. So post goods issue, how we do is, we take the delivery document now. Okay, just go back. Go to this transaction called VL02N. This is for change the delivery document. You don't need to memorize the transaction codes. Okay, we'll give a list of transaction codes. So this is the delivery document which we have created. So go to this delivery document now. So under this document, so we have several tabs. Okay, so each tab consists of several information. Let's say if we go to picking tab, it will show what is the picked quantity. If the delivery quantity is 1, so they have picked the quantity as 1. Okay, so likewise, if you go to status overview, it will give the status of the outbound delivery. So right now, if you see the status, it is C means completed. Okay, but overall status is not completed right now. If you see means, okay, the goods issue, this is the main thing, goods movement. So right now this is A only. A means it's not yet completed. So when this will get completed means not yet processed. Okay, so when this will be completed means we have to do this post goods issue. So indirectly it means we are sending the goods to the customer. So this is the process. So just select this button, post goods issue. Posting available. Okay. 1 second. Just give a minute. I'll just set this part alone. More PP. Just 1 minute. System is throwing error. Okay, we can rectify the error. It's nothing but the posting date. Right now I have set it for November month. Okay, so it's right now December, so I need to set a small change. MMRV.
So how to open this brigade? Can I just show?
Yeah. See, actually, in SAP SD we have a company code. Okay. So in the company code we need to maintain the period. I mean, for which we are doing the posting part. So this is comes under the material model. Okay. So here they have given the month as November. So I need to extend this month. So that's why I'm just extending this. After this we can do this the last process, that is post goods issue. So this is a customizing from the other module they have to do. So I'm just doing this here. Okay. Now if you try to do the posting, it will happen. Now come to the our goods receiver. Okay. Go back. So right now we are in the delivery document. What's our delivery document here? 80016,796. Okay. So for this, let's do the post goods issue.
The
So I can use
screen
this
is
transaction.
frozen, like, so it is.
One second, system is taking some time. Okay, so this is the delivery document. So from this delivery document, I'm just clicking this post goods issue. So this is the actual meaning is the goods are sent to the customer. Being processed by another user. Okay. I have opened two sessions, okay, parallelly. So that's why system is throwing this message that the document is currently used by another user. So can you see deliveries again saved? It means the post goods issue is done. If you want to see, just go to the delivery document again. Okay. And if you see the status, goods issue has already posted for delivery. Okay, fine. Go to the outbound delivery now. Go to the status overview. Can you see this goods issue movement? Earlier it was showing A, now it shows C. C means completed. Okay, so now we have completed this post goods issue process. Now the final thing is we have to do the billing. So how we can do the billing? Now for this billing, so just copy this outbound delivery, come back. So for billing, you can go to this is logistics, sales and distribution, billing, billing document, create. Okay, so for this delivery document, we are creating a billing document. Press enter. So this is a delivery document, right? So I just entered this delivery document. So using this delivery document, we have created a billing. So this is the same item. Okay, this is a description of the material, one piece, and the value we have given is 100, right? 100 euros. So that's why it's taking 100 euros plus tax amount is 19. So this is the payer. This is the customer to whom, who has to pay this bill. Okay, and I'm saving this. So a billing document is also created. So the billing document number is 900382207. Okay. Now this is the complete process of sales and distribution what I have shown you. So let's say from where we started from sales. Okay. So in most of the projects we can start it from the enquiry itself. So first we can create enquiry, then we can create quotation. Okay, first we can create enquiry, then we can create quotation, and from the quotation we can create order. So demo to see the flow. So I go to this VA03, that is history of sales order. So this is my order number 14010. So I go to this, I am opening the order which the customer has placed. Now let's say you are the manager and you want to see the whole cycle of this order. Okay, so you can use this small icon called display document flow. So I select this. So when you choose this, it will show the whole history. See, you have created an order of
Once again, there is a disconnect, Praveen.
document 14010. After the goods issue, you have done the billing document. Okay, so this completely gives you a flow of the whole documents for the specific customer who has placed an order. You have any doubts? I mean, you have any questions for the training part? Anything? I mean, you can ask me.
So you will be talking about the moment types and all other things, right? Bill of materials.
Could you please repeat it again? Because I'm not able to hear you.
Yeah, so you will be talking about all the goods moment types, isn't it? Moment types and the...
Yes. I mean, we'll be seeing, I mean, the complete things, I mean, whatever is covering in the sales and distribution part.
Okay.
And what is the best timing for you? I mean, any convenient time you have?
So I'm looking for Saturdays and Sundays, and because during the weekday it will be difficult for me to accommodate the time, since you said like, so it's a demo session.
Okay, you are looking
so
for weekend classes.
Absolutely right. Absolutely right. That's correct.
Okay. Fine. If you have if you have no questions, I mean, you can check with Naveen for the other details. Okay.
No. So, do you have any preferred time during the weekend?
I'm absolutely free. I'm absolutely free. Not a problem.
So, I don't know. Like, so if you're doing it from India, then maybe we can have the session around 11 o'clock on Saturdays and Sundays. 11.
Yeah, we can. Not a problem.
Yeah. Is that fine? Like, so if that is fine, then maybe we can start on this Saturday. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So you'll be taking 2-hour session or 1-hour session, or how do you want to take it?
It depends upon you also. I mean, how much you can take.
So I am ready to go for the 2-hour sessions actually, because this is going to be the time where we can get some lean time, right?
Okay, then not a problem.
Yeah. Thanks, man. So maybe I'll inform to Naveen as well. Maybe he might be already there in the call. So we'll do it at 11 o'clock India time on this Saturday, coming Saturday. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
On Saturday and Sunday, both the days, Saturday and Sunday. Yeah.
Yeah, not a problem.
Okay, so let's catch up from Saturday. Okay, thanks, Praveen. Thanks for the session. Yeah,
Yeah.
thanks.
Thank you, Ashok. Thanks for your time. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks, man. Bye. Bye.